watch this video before buying any AI generator subscription. So hey guys, so you probably know there's a tons of AI video generators out there right now, but today I want to talk about my experience with Hailuo AI and why I'm not going back. Let's start with the good stuff. They give 100 free credits every day and recently launched a text to image feature. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, I was actually a premium subscriber last month and honestly I'm not renewing it ever. And here's why. Even though they are updating frequently, the AI video quality is just not it. I gave them well-researched prompt and they still gave me a potato results. Like seriously, the hand gesture and the physics, they are really mess. And don't even get me started on generation time. The free version takes about 20 minutes for one video. Okay, fair. But premium, 7 to 10 minutes per video. Still, that's crazy slow if you're paying for it. Worst part, after your subscription ends, you can't even download your videos without a watermark. Like bro, I paid for that. Now, get back to the only real good part is they do give you lots of credits, but only you have got horror movie level patience. I did not, so I couldn't even use all my credits properly. Anyways, that's all for today. This was actually my first video in English, so if you liked it, please show some love and support. If this video gets 1000 plus views, I will make more of them. I have several websites subscriptions. I want to review them as well. Fooled you. Thanks for watching.